Welcome to Solax Power new product launch event. Today we are going to show you Solax brand new low voltage hybrid inverter, X1 Hybrid LV. X1 Hybrid LV is a single-phase low voltage energy storage inverter that fits low voltage battery. From the all-round views, we could enjoy its elegant appearance. X1 Hybrid LV is more than elegant. Now let's move to the product itself. An overview of product would definitely impress the whole of us. Firstly, it is the power range. X1 Hybrid LV ranges in 3 to 6 kilowatts nominal AC output power, which is the mainstream power range of a single-phase low-voltage hybrid inverter. The power range is perfect for residential application. To design a product always takes time, especially for Solax. Solax devotes a lot more in product design before they go into market. X1 Hybrid LV is compact in design. The simple layout brings pleasant user experience and feels as high-end home appliances. A small body is fearless for high power generation performance. When talking about product weight, we think a qualified and accepted standard should be installation friendly. X1 Hybrid LV is as light as 15.7 kilograms and pride to compete in market. A friendly weight is vital for installers upon installing for end users. How about operating on a LCD color screen? X1 Hybrid LV is on your demand. This user-friendly design guarantees clear vision and non-misleading press. Simple in menus and easy for touch settings, that is what Solax is always pursuing. Been amazed by product basic information, surprises would come along with product performance. Now we are moving to product performance, which is an area we cannot miss and must go through in the first place. MPPT, a usual but indispensable device for an inverter, decides how much power could be acquired in a maximum way. Equipped with 2 MPPTs, X1 Hybrid LV ensures precise maximum power point tracking and creates power generation as much as possible. For the PV input, X1 Hybrid LV fits well with various panels, and through the adjustment of panels in the system, an optimal DC to AC conversion could be achieved. Supported by 200% PV oversize and 150% PV input, X1 Hybrid LV allows higher power panels and capacity allocation ratio. The excellent efficiency performance lies in the gene of Solax solid R&D strength. On the battery side, X1 Hybrid LV also performs well. Max charging/discharging current of 120 A makes the inverter and battery energy conversion operate in an efficient mode. A low startup voltage means the inverter could start generation earlier and stop generation later. The wider working period is certainly equaling more yield. Solax Power is always product-centric and technology-driven. The intelligence of X1 Hybrid LV is everywhere, which makes it alive. Let's go on to explore. Shadows are one of the main factors which affect power generation. No matter which kind of shadow it is, cloud, flying objects, trees and etc., this function provides tracking and notification. To adjust in time could pave the obstacles in adopting solar energy with Solax. When your home is allocated with various loads, general loads, backup loads and etc., in the context of Internet of Things, along with Solax Cloud, all loads could be managed in an organized and smart way. The whole system would cover inverter, battery, and loads consumption. When EV charger and heat pump are installed, they would also be controlled easily. When there is a need for power expansion, X1 Hybrid LV offers a maximum 10 packs of parallel in on-grid and off-grid mode, meaning that for frequent off-grid application scenarios, a maximum 60 kilowatts generation can be achieved. And this solution needs no external parallel box. In real situations, X1 Hybrid LV remains extraordinary operation. Believe it or not, the most practical application always saves you from the hardest problems. UPS level switching time is an important standard which defines an inverter operation during outages. UPS switching requires the inverter to instantly draw power from PV or backup battery instead of grid to power the loads, ensuring loads not affected by blackouts and even abnormal during frequent outages. A 200% EPS output, 50% PV and 150% battery, can last up to 10 seconds. Large loads like air conditioner can be easily powered during the transition of normal grid supply to backup power supply. Inverter working with generator is a high demand as diesel generator is also a power generation backup for homes. X1 Hybrid LV could make this happen. The integrated PV plus storage plus generator solution is not only green but also cost efficient. In the scenario of different kinds of batteries adaptability, X1 Hybrid LV has its own solution. For the frequent seen LFP, lead-acid batteries, X1 Hybrid LV offers seamless adaptability. You could either choose Solax low-voltage LFP batteries or lead-acid batteries in other brands. When we talk about safety, what do we care most? The product life cycle itself or the ability to resist harm from outside environment? No matter what, X1 Hybrid is a perfect home safeguard. Hybrid LV color screen adopts dual water-resistant design. The risk of water and raindrops harm is lifted down as much as possible. The fact of X1 Hybrid LV in a long life cycle is well insured. For the power range 3 kilowatts, 3.7 kilowatts, and 4.0 kilowatts, natural cooling is adopted. According to experimental statistics, the non-noise design is perfect for X1 Hybrid LV operation in homes. For 4.6 kilowatts, 5 kilowatts, and 6 kilowatts, IP68 fan is equipped for a longer life cycle. Your safety is our concern. To increase the reliability of inverter, the integrated SPD function is already on. When peak current or voltage is occurring, the surge protection starts to divide the threat to the machine. You will not be scared with any lightning strikes. AFCI, Arc Fault Circuit Interrupter, is the arc fault interrupter. It is through the identification of the arc fault signal, break the power circuit in the process of arc fault developing into a fire. We could say that it is a basic and essential way to protect you and your family. After the whole introduction, I believe that everyone is familiar with X1 Hybrid LV and its excellent features. Solax is strict with product design and research which lasts long in internal product development. This is precisely due to our commitment to customers and keen perception to markets. We want our customers to feel the beauty of technology while using it. Among the four aspects, X1 Hybrid LV is definitely seen as the pioneer in the industry. Despite the mentioned characteristics, Solax has empowered X1 Hybrid LV much more superior perfections prior to others. Today's new product launch event. Thank you everyone. See you next.